ए वार्म वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आप सबको मेरा नमस्ते। So this is the fifth and the final lecture of the chapter chemical reactions and chemical equations. And in this current lecture, we will discuss the last topic, that is effect of oxidation and reduction in everyday life. And under this topic, we will cover corrosion and rancidity. Corrosion and rancidity. So let's first of all start with corrosion. So what is corrosion? Corrosion is the slow eating away. Slow eating away कह सकते हैं या eating up कह सकते हैं. Slow eating away of the metals. कैसे? By the action of air and moisture. By the action of air and moisture on the surface of the metals. Clear the definition of corrosion? It is the slow eating away of the metals. कैसे? By the action of air and moisture on the surface of the metals. So that's about the definition of corrosion, and it is also called slow whipping of the metals. Whipping मतलब रोना. It's also called slow whipping of the metals. Now let's start with the examples. The first example is the formation of white layer. So you may observe at your home also that the aluminium articles, they become white in color. The surface become white. So why it is so? It is because there is formation of white oxide layer. White oxide layer of aluminium oxide on the surface of the aluminium. So that's how aluminium gets corroded, because of formation of white aluminium oxide layer. Actually, this layer of aluminium oxide further prevents the corrosion of aluminium. So it prevents the further corrosion of aluminium because of formation of this white layer. Similarly, the copper articles. The copper articles, you may observe that they become green in color after some days, after some time. Why? Because there is formation of basic carbonate layer. Basic carbonate layer of copper carbonate dot copper hydroxide. Formula CuCO3 dot CuOH whole twice on the surface of the copper. So that's how copper gets corroded, because of formation of green basic carbonate layer on the surface of the copper, and that's the formula of that layer. CuCO3 dot CuOH whole twice. Similarly, the silver articles, they become black in color, and that black layer formed on the surface of the silver is because of silver sulfide. That layer, silver sulfide layer, is formed on the surface of the silver. It is due to the presence of hydrogen sulfide present in the air. So when the hydrogen sulfide come in contact with the silver, there is formation of silver sulfide on the surface of the silver. Copper case में क्या है? The CO2 and the moisture present in the air that come in contact with the copper surface, and there is formation of this layer. And last we have formation of reddish brown layer. Formation of reddish brown layer on the surface of the iron articles, and that reddish brown layer is called rust. क्या बोलते हैं हम? रस्ट बोलते हैं. And the chemical formula of rust is Fe2O3 dot XH2O. X, because here the number of water molecules are not fixed. That's we write here X here. So the formation of reddish brown layer on the surface of the iron articles, that is called rust. Clear? So when iron come in contact with the moisture and oxygen present in the air, it will form the reddish brown layer, that is rust on the surface. So that's about the examples of corrosion. आप इसको नोट कर लो, उतार लो. Now we will do the rusting of iron in detail. So what is rusting? The corrosion of iron is called rusting. So we will see the main conditions which are responsible for the rusting of iron, and how can we prevent the rusting of iron. अब हम वो पढ़ेंगे. तब तक आप इसको उतार लो, देन विल स्टार्ट द रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन. Now let's discuss about corrosion of iron, that is called rusting. So corrosion of iron is called rusting. And chemically, what is rust? Rust is hydrated ferric oxide. Its chemical formula is Fe2O3.XS2O. X, the hydrated water molecules are not fixed here, that's why we write here X molecules here. So the formula of rust is Fe2O3.XS2O. Now, what are the conditions necessary for rusting? So, we have two main conditions which cause rusting of iron. And the conditions are: the metal surface must come in contact with air or oxygen. The metal surface, the iron surface must come in contact with air or oxygen, then only rusting begins. And the air must contain moisture, that is water molecules, then start the rusting of iron. Now, how can you prevent rusting of iron which degrade the market value of iron? So we have many methods by which we can prevent the rusting of iron under two main topics, by non-metallic coating and by metallic coating. So under non-metallic coating we can discuss the methods such as by using paints, by painting with enamel paints which can be used in iron doors, windows, in cars, scooters, vehicles. We have paints to prevent the rusting of iron. Second, we can use oils and grease. Now, where can we use oils and grease to prevent the rusting of iron? In the moving parts of machineries such as vehicles and coolers. There we can use oils and grease. And third, by plastic coating. So we can coat the surface of iron with plastic to prevent the rusting of iron, and examples are iron furnitures. So that's the method under non-metallic coating. Now the methods under metallic coating, and the first method by galvanization. Very important from exam point of view, that what is galvanization? The coating of zinc. The coating of zinc on the surface of iron is called galvanization. Now, where can we use the process of galvanization? In buckets, tubs, in roof sheds, we can use the process of galvanization to prevent the rusting of iron. Second, by forming alloys. Now, what are alloys? Alloys are the homogeneous mixture of two or more metals and sometimes non-metals also. For example, stainless steel. Stainless steel is a alloy of iron, chromium, nickel and carbon. So we can form alloy to prevent the rusting of iron, which can be best used in surgical instruments and utensils. And third, by using aluminium paints, we can cover the surface of iron with aluminium paint, and that can be best used in furnitures and iron bridge. The heavy bridge, they can be prevented from being rusted by using aluminium paints. So that's the main methods by which we can prevent the rusting of iron, and that's about the rusting, the corrosion of iron. So we have covered corrosion, definition, examples, then rusting, conditions necessary for rusting, and methods used to prevent the rusting of iron. Now we'll discuss the second topic of this lecture, that is rancidity. So now let's start with what is rancidity. आप उतार लो, फिर हम स्टार्ट करेंगे rancidity. अब आते हैं rancidity में. तो आपने नोट किया होगा, घरों में ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि जब भी ऑयल्स या फैट्स या फिर वो खाना जिसमें ऑयल या फैट हो, उनको हम काफी दिनों के लिए या काफी टाइम के लिए स्टोर करते हैं, तो उनमें से अजीब सी स्मेल आती है, उसका कलर, उसका स्मेल चेंज हो जाता है, वो खाना बासी हो जाता है, उसी को बोलते हैं हम रैंसिडिटी. तो डिफाइन करते हैं साइंस के टर्म में, व्हेन द ऑयल्स और फैट्स और foods containing oils or fats are exposed to air or oxygen, एक्सपोज करते हैं, खुले में रखते हैं, तो उससे क्या होगा, they get oxidized, वो सारे फूड ऑक्सीडाइज होने शुरू हो जाते हैं, ड्यू टू विच फूड बिकम्स स्टेल, स्टेल मतलब बासी हो जाना, बासी हो जाना, हाँ, फूड बिकम्स स्टेल एंड इट्स कलर एंड स्मेल चेंजेस, उनके कलर और स्मेल चेंज होने शुरू हो जाते हैं, उसी को बोलते हैं हम, इट इज कॉल्ड रैंसिडिटी. सो व्हाट इज रैंसिडिटी? When oils or fats or the foods containing oils or fats are exposed to air or oxygen, they get oxidized, due to which food becomes stale and its color and smell changes. It is called rancidity. Now, how can you prevent rancidity? The methods to prevent rancidity. फर्स्ट, स्टोरिंग फूड इन एयर टाइट कंटेनर, हम फूड को एयर टाइट कंटेनर में स्टोर कर सकते हैं ताकि फूड का और एयर का कंटेक्ट कम हो जाए. सेकेंड, बाय एडिंग एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स टू फूड. नाउ व्हाट आर एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स? विच प्रिवेंट ऑक्सीडेशन, द सब्सटेंसेस विच प्रिवेंट ऑक्सीडेशन and thus we can store the food for a longer period of time. Those are called antioxidants. And the most common antioxidants are BHA and BHT. Full form of BHA is butylated hydroxyanizole. Butylated hydroxyanizole. BHT क्या होता है? Butylated hydroxytoluene. Clear? So these are most common antioxidants which prevent oxidation of food. Third, we can pack or flush the oil or fat containing food with nitrogen. So आपने नोट किया होगा, जो चिप्स के पैकेट आते हैं उनमें जो एयर होती है ना, that air contain nitrogen. So we can prevent oxidation of food containing oils and fats. कैसे? By flushing the food containing oils and fat with nitrogen. Clear? और लास्ट है बाय डीप फ्रीजिंग. वी कैन यूज रेफ्रिजरेटर्स टू रिटार्ड, स्लो डाउन द प्रोसेस ऑफ रैंसिडिटी. तो ये हो गया रैंसिडिटी एंड द वेरियस मेथड्स बाय विच वी कैन प्रिवेंट रैंसिडिटी ऑफ फूड. एंड दैट्स अबाउट द लेक्चर. सो टुडे वी कवर two main topics. The topics which are the effects of oxidation and reduction in everyday life, which are corrosion and rancidity. So we have covered corrosion and rancidity today, and that's about the lecture, and that's about the chapter chemical reactions and chemical equations. See you in the next lecture. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू और नमस्ते.